Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, in today's video, I'm just going to review a product which is released by Jonathan Montoya. Actually, just before even I talk about this product, which is a high ticket product, which is like not for everybody, but still I wanted to show this product because people, every time they ask what exactly you do, what exactly, although I do review of many products, I do like make money online videos throughout my channel, but the most specific question is what exactly you do, because they want to replicate exactly what I do, because they want to know the original way to make money rather than just to make just $1 or $2 a few cents. So they just want to know exactly what I do and what kind of product, the real products which I promote. Okay, I mean to say like quality products. That's what I mean, like, because making money through typing, making money through data entry, making money by watching videos, it's all good, but it just makes you maximum dollar or 50 cents per day. It's like, it's not gonna make you much money, right? So that's the big thing. People ask what exactly is a real way of making money, or you know what I mean. So that's exactly the question comes up all the time. So that's exactly I'm going to show you today, a product which is going to really help somebody to make a real chunk of money. I mean, a real money. I mean, this, when I say I'm talking about, it's like high ticket. We're talking about high ticket, $500, $1,000, a true way of making money rather than just like 50 cents or $1, like spending a whole day. That's the difference between like the next level of making money rather than like a few cents or few dollars, or the next level is to the like 200, 300, 500 or $1,000. This is the real way of making money. I mean, like of course you had to start with the basic of $10, $20. Only then you will have that experience of getting to know that market, how to make the bigger money. But having said that, I just want to show you what people go through once again. Now let me move the screen down. Just go and search on Google, YouTube or Google, whatever it is. Just search make money online. You just see, what do you see? You see these top guys coming in. You can see this Kevin David, Franklin. This is, I know this guy, investor. I forgot his name. Okay. I follow these guys. Okay. Everybody I've subscribed to. Brico Banks. All these people, what do you think? What do you think? Although they say make like this money, like, I mean, like $1,000, $2,000, like, 2.79 per minute, or $6 per click. 102 per click, whatever it is, do you really think these guys do this? No, even me. Of course, when I started my online journey, I have tested everything. Even if I get $1 for the whole day, I will do. Okay, because I was desperate. I want to make sure. I want to make money online and show my family that yes, it is true and it is not a scam. I want to prove my family that yes, it is possible to make sitting at home and you can make money online. I did do that. Okay, I'm not saying it's not possible. So what I'm trying to show is, whatever you see, this small money or big money, whatever they mention here, they do this video, but they don't really do this. Even me. Of course, I have done before, but I'm trying to say is, whatever you see, this like few dollars, a few cents, this like, this guy, if you see, this is the biggest guy, like one of the biggest guy who make lots of videos, 800,000 subscribers, Big Mark. He does videos which shows $1, $2, but do they do that? Not at all. So what do they really do? Where do they make the big chunk of money? Of course, through YouTube, they make the YouTube AdSense money. That's true. But the real big money is coming from the high ticket offer they promote. This is where I want to show you. If you go into any of these people's video, the first link, if you see, even in my first link, you will see the difference. Why I say this is a product I promote. If you see this, if you go into this over here, and if you try to go into their email follow-up sequence, or the first thing what they try to promote you is like might be a $1 or $3 or $7 ticket, low ticket product. Let me mute this sound here. But what exactly they end up promoting you is the high ticket product. This is where the real money is. So what I'm trying to say here is, I'm going to show you a product which is released by Jonathan Montoya, which exactly he is also part of the YouTube channel. Actually, he also has a YouTube channel. Let me show you here. This is exactly I'm going to show you. This is Jonathan Montoya, and he has released a product called Freedom Breakthrough. Okay, and everybody cannot go into. I mean, they say like even becoming an affiliate is not a straight process. He always goes through only people. He has given me access because I am part of one of his mentors. Like he's also a mentor. I follow one of his mentors as well. So he has given me access to his to promote his product. Okay, not everybody can promote. What I'm trying to say is, hey, Jonathan Montoya, just in a span of 1 year, like you can see this 9 months, in a span of 1 year, he was able to take his YouTube channel to the next level. I mean to say, like, of course, he's like around 20 or 30,000 subscribers. But what I'm trying to say is, he was able to promote that high ticket product, and he was able to be successful with that. That exact product, which I also done a review before. Okay, that's exactly, I'm going to show you this one here. Even before I show you that, I want to show you about Jonathan Montoya's product, and this is exactly what he is running a free training. But I'm totally honest, I need to tell you frankly, I always do that, what he is going to sell you. Okay, although you're going to go into this free training, which I'm going to leave a link below, what is going to sell you is what I'm going to show you. Okay, this is exactly, because end of the day here, what I'm trying to show you is a product which is going to make money. Okay, that's exactly I'm trying to show you. Because although I do lots of videos with making $1, $2, $5, but there are products which is like a high ticket product which will take your make money online to the next level. Okay, this is exactly which all the top people, whoever you see in the YouTube, they are doing. Exactly, this is exactly I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the product which once you log in, he is going to do a free training, and end of the training is going to sell you a course. Okay, that course I'm going to show you now is going to be totally worth it. I've gone through it. See this one. This is what this is going to contain in that course. Picking the perfect affiliate niche, creating your affiliate. This is like exactly the list of videos you're going to see on into the course. Okay, so this is exactly going to see creating an affiliate website, getting on the first page of the Google. This is what he has done is, that's what the best part is. If you go through it, what he has done is, he is not just he is gonna show his experience how to promote a product, but he has also brought in the 4 top affiliates, I mean top marketers into this training in order to show. I'll just show you that one. See these people here, the top. You can see this. These are all the testimonials what he has got for this product. But he has also brought in those 4 people. Let me show you where these guys are here. These are all, I'm sure if you have been in the industry, you'll know these people. These are all like top guys in this market. Alex Branding, this Paul Matley, Nathan Lucas, Ivan, I think this guy is Ivan, right? Am I right? Joshua. So all these guys are top affiliate marketers. They know what they're doing, and he has added their courses, like their training also inside this one. See this, let me show you this one. So this is like, you're going to get this. You can see this is like getting the first page on the Google with Nathan. He is a specialist in that. Okay, so he has added this course, a video of it, and the perfect affiliate funnel by this is by Paul Motley, I think. Yeah, this is what Paul Motley. Yeah, email marketing mastery, the free traffic with Facebook, the king of evergreen traffic. What is special of Jonathan Montoya is, I told you about the top affiliate product. Okay, what he was able to do is he was able to drive traffic to this affiliate product through his YouTube channel, not just YouTube channel. This is where he is really I always suggest that stick to one traffic channel. But he was able to do this, promote a affiliate product, top affiliate product with also TikTok ads. Okay, TikTok. He was able to even do ads out of it. They recently only started that. So you can see this. Paid traffic with Google, paid traffic with TikTok, and paid traffic with Facebook. I'm sure everybody knows about Facebook, but the TikTok ads was really the key strategy, what he was able to achieve to get lots and lots of affiliate sales to the high ticket product. Everybody think TikTok is like a kind of waste of time, or it's a place where you just watch videos and stuff and go off. But he was able to drive traffic to his affiliate offer. That's the best part actually. You can see he's going to show you the free traffic way as well as the paid traffic way with the TikTok. That's like a special stuff over here. Of course, there's no doubt about it. He's already successful. You can go and check his YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a link below. He's already successful with his YouTube traffic. Organically, he's able to drive traffic to it. But these are all this real strategy, because I can show you an affiliate product which is a high ticket product, but you need to know how to drive traffic to it, right? So this is where this product is going to help you. with this strategy, not just any high ticket product, like what I'm going to show you now, any high ticket product you can promote. What he is promoting is, I'm going to show you this. Okay, this I have already shown you. I have shown you this product before, and I told you this is exactly like almost 90 to 95% of this top affiliate YouTube videos you see, whoever they are promoting, they will have this link in their description. Or if not, if they don't have description, they will promote you like after the like 2 or 3 emails they send you, they will promote you this product, because this is a high ticket product, high quality product, because David Sharp, this is the guy who really top guy in this industry, and who is a genuine guy, rather than they teach you really good quality stuff, and they really talk to that exact point without, like, we call it as no BS. Okay, no BS. Actually, this is a specialty of David Sharp. He really have been able to give a quality product for that high ticket price which you're gonna pay. So this is where this David Legendary Marketer has been very successful, and almost if you see 90-95% of these YouTube people, whoever they're promoting, they'll be promoting you this high ticket product, because they know that this is a quality product for anybody to take that affiliate, make money online to the next level. So this is going to help you, right? That's why everybody promote. And even Jonathan Montoya has been successful in promoting this Legendary Marketer, and I think he's already reached 100,000 or something. I think $100,000 already in their sales actually. So he's already he has done an interview. Actually, that's the best part with David Sharp. You will be able to do weekly live calls. With their program, you'll be able to do you'll be able to see all these people's interview within their channel, within their like a private group. So that's the best part. So what I'm trying to show you is this is a product which is a high ticket product, which you're going to get all this stuff here. You can see all this stuff part of this high ticket product, and to show you how you really can promote any product, any affiliate offers or any high ticket offers with the strategy what he is going to show you in this one. So this is exactly, guys. So what is the aim of this video is to tell you that all the YouTube channels, whatever you're following, whatever it is, they show you $1, how to do $1 per minute, $10 per minute, whatever it is. End of the day, they don't do that. I also don't do. Of course, I did it when I started it. I tried everything, I made it just to make sure that yes, it is truth, that even $10 can be made, even $1 can be made. And now what I do is promoting the high ticket, $500, $1,000. Why? This is where the real money is. And exactly all those top affiliate whoever you see, they do the same thing. Okay, although they might have like 100,000 or 200,000 subscribers, they do get money through YouTube. That's true. But the real money is in this high ticket program which they promote to you. So this is exactly it is. Okay, this is the truth. Whether you believe it or not, this is what everybody make money. But when you choose that high ticket product, there are lots in the market. And there are only few which are really top quality. One of them is Legendary. They are affiliate Triad. One is Spencer's affiliate Secrets. There are like 4 or 5, I would say, like top quality ones. I mean, it's like there are many, but these are all like the top level affiliate marketing products, I'm telling you. Okay, so one of them is Legendary Marketer. So with this product, with Freedom Breakthrough, when you join, he is going to show you really the way, the true strategy, as I showed you here, how to really master this affiliate marketing and drive traffic to any affiliate offer, even high ticket affiliate offer. That's what it is, guys. I just wanted to tell you this new program from Jonathan Montoya, who has been able to be successful with this Legendary Marketer and also with YouTube and also with TikTok. That's what this specialty is, and it's going to help you with that. So if you're really interested, click the link below and you'll be going through this free training which I showed you here. As I told you, hopefully end of the training is going to sell you a product. This is what any training is. So I'm telling you openly, whether you buy it or not, even with this free training, you're going to learn really valuable stuff from him, which you can decide. Then you can decide whether it is good for you or not. That's what these webinars are for. You can learn from him this, what he's going to teach you, whether it is valuable or not, and then end of the video you can decide whether it is worth or not to go follow him. And also going to leave a channel if you want. It's passive income, I think, passive income lifestyle. Yeah, sorry, that's his it's his YouTube channel. You can go watch him, how he really how he has been through the Facebook ads, go through TikTok ads. Of course, he's going to give you the free strategies as well. Of course, always when they are paid version, they have those special secrets inside, and with the YouTube channel, they will not reveal you everything. Of course, you can go and check his channel with whatever he's teaching, but only within this course he's going to reveal you all those secrets. Okay, that's why I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, so that's the aim of this video, Freedom Breakthrough, new affiliate product, which is going to from Jonathan Montoya, who's going to teach you about all the strategies to drive drive traffic to this high ticket affiliate offers, which is going to help you make some big money. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all about Freedom Breakthrough. I'm sure you're going to love this one, no doubt about it. You can watch his YouTube channel. All of these trainings are really, I myself have followed him from the first to last, and now after, actually, to be frank, I joined Legendary Marketer before even this one, only because of him. Okay, after seeing how he's been able to be successful with a small span of time, that's the fact. I joined Legendary Marketer, not now. I mean to say, like, the reason why seeing him doing so successful with Legendary Marketer, with TikTok and YouTube, to be able to drive traffic to this high ticket off, that's made me think, okay, I was not doing that, I was not promoting that. Then when I saw him doing really good, then I joined Legendary Marketer, and then I started promoting it. So that's why I'm giving you an opportunity as well, a very good product to learn from a person who has been successful with high ticket offers. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. If you want to check it out, just check the link below. That's an affiliate link. I do get a commission. I'm totally open about it. I really appreciate your support, actually. Whenever you like, this is what I do. This is what my job, YouTube affiliate SEO. Anybody can do whatever I'm doing. You can also join, and you can also start promoting these kind of products. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.